Hello, everyone! Today, I want to introduce myself through 100 simple sentences. My name is Mike. I am 28 years old. I am from Vietnam. I live near the beach. I live in a small town in Vietnam. My hometown is quiet and peaceful. The people in my hometown are friendly. There are many sunny days in my hometown. My hometown has beautiful beaches. I often go to the beach in my hometown. The sea in my hometown is very blue. I am proud of my hometown. I am very positive. I try to smile every day. I like meeting new people. I love nature. I like trees and flowers. I like taking photos. I enjoy taking photos of the sky. I like wearing simple clothes. I work in an office. I like playing volleyball. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. I like reading books. I like cooking. I love my family. I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite color is white and black. My favorite food is pho. My favorite drink is iced tea. I like going for a walk. I exercise every day. I like running in the morning. I watch cartoons in my free time. I like comedy movies. On day off, I wake up late in the morning. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to the coffee shop sometimes. I love traveling. I want to travel with my girlfriend. I like mango fruit. I like eating seafood. I enjoy the sound of the waves. I like going to the beach. I like fresh air in the morning. I enjoy watching the sunrise. I feel happy at the beach. I like swimming at the beach. I play volleyball 4 days a week. I often go to the park. I like learning new things. I have many good friends. I sometimes go to the cafe with my friends. I enjoy talking with my friends. I like spending time alone sometimes. I like drinking coconut water. I enjoy relaxing on the weekend. I don't like hot weather. I like cool weather. I like riding my motorbike. I like helping my parents. I want to make more friends. I like quiet places. I watch videos on YouTube. I watch TikTok when I run. I like simple food. I like boiled vegetable. I like trying new foods. I enjoy morning exercise. I do push-ups every day. I enjoy watching the moon at night. I like calm and peaceful places. I like taking short breaks in the afternoon. I am learning English. I study English 2 hours a day. I watch English videos to practice. I read simple English books. I enjoy writing English sentences. I enjoy learning new skills. I like learning from my friends. I want to speak English with confidence. I want to learn more English words. I enjoy learning step by step. I enjoy simple conversations. I feel happy with my life. I like planning my day. I enjoy going to local markets. I like talking to new people online. I enjoy playing simple games on my phone. I like collecting good photos. I enjoy saving memories on my phone. I like walking slowly and watching the sky. I like learning by watching others. I enjoy hearing new ideas. I like thinking about my goals. I enjoy quiet nights at home. Thank you for listening. If you want to watch new videos soon, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell to get the earliest notifications. I'll see you in the next video.